Hello, Giselle here with your Fully 5 for this week, a 5-minute tip to becoming fully me. And what does that mean? It means sharing your gifts with the world while being the mom that you desire to be. And it's possible. Our Fully 5 for this week is everybody needs love. Maybe you know what I'm talking about. Maybe you're a little unsure. That's okay. Stick around and I'll tell you all about it. So our Fully 5 for this week is everybody needs love. And while it is true about the affection and the emotional state that we all know as love, that's true, we need it, but I'm talking about literally everybody. You get it now? You get it now? Everybody needs love, and that is exercise, dear mamas. There are many reasons why exercise is beneficial for us, for our mind, for our emotion, for physically, all of that we have going on. Exercise is so beneficial for us, but it's also beneficial for our children as well. And just as there's so many great benefits to exercising, there's 10 times, if not more, reasons why exercising can be difficult for us to do. Some that I have found are time. You don't got enough time. I mean, we barely have enough time in the day to do what we have to do. Money. Sometimes the classes can be a little expensive. I know. Childcare. Trying to find childcare just to be able to go and exercise. Come on. Maybe you feel like you don't have enough space, or maybe you're not sure what exercise is right for you, or right for your body type, or right for where you are in this season. And there are a lot of different options out there, and that can feel overwhelming. But I just want to share with you something that I have found to be beneficial for me. First, there are a lot of different types out there, so let's talk about them. There is cycling, there is Zumba where you can dance, there's running, there is the traditional circuit, where you're doing multiple things, maybe it's 4 different exercises in a row. There is, what else is there? Dance, which I love. There is Pilates, there is yoga, and there's also stretching. I consider stretching to be an exercise, real talk, okay? Sometimes you get up, and if you take 30 minutes just stretching out your body, gentle stretching, but actually doing it and breathing through it, that is healthy for your body too. So stretching, add that to the list, okay? So those are just a few different ideas of what you can do if you're unsure what you should try. Time. I know time is a really big one for me, and so I have taken the opportunity to look at my schedule per week and see when I can get it in. Now for me, personally, I wake my children up around 7:30 in the morning. They have a routine for what they need to do to get dressed, and I take that moment that 20 to 30 minutes to exercise. So the challenge for you is to say, hey, look at your schedule. When is a time that you can get 15 minutes? Maybe it's just 12, maybe it's just 10 to start out, that you can carve out 10 minutes. Is it when you have small children when they're napping? Is it when they're at school? Is it during lunch break that you can sneak off and get some stretching in? Can you squeeze in a class in the evening time when you don't have to worry about childcare and someone is there at your house to take care of your children? When can you do it? Look at your schedule. Find that, again, even if it's just 15 minutes. 3 days a week, find it, and just get into a rhythm of doing it, and give yourself grace. Don't over-worry yourself. Give yourself grace. Money. Okay, so some classes are expensive. Guess what? YouTube. Get on YouTube. Find a couple of people that you like. Now, I personally like to do, right now I have 2 in rotation, and one is Afri Fitness. Shout out. It's African beats, and she's just moving, y'all. Moving. Another one is Boho Beautiful, and she does a lot of meditation. She does a ton of yoga. She does some Pilates in there, and it's just beautiful background to it. So I really like to kind of switch up between those if I don't do my own personal stretching or if I don't get out to a class. But they're right on YouTube, and it's free. Okay? Kids, if you're able to take your kids to class with you, take them. I have a friend who does cycling. She sits her child on the sidelines. That is his time to play games on his computer, on his little handheld device, and she's cycling, she's sweating it out, and he's sitting there on his little device. He sees his mom's working, and she's exercising and taking care of her body, and she sees him. He's safe, you know? So that's an option. Maybe you can switch off with another mom or another family member. Maybe you can do it while they're at school. Or maybe you can take them with you and actually do a family exercise class. Space. Clear out stuff, okay? If you could see right here, this is my family bookshelf. I just move stuff out of the way. Do it. Move stuff out of the way so you can have the space that you need. What I want to just encourage you, get out there and show your body some love. Everybody needs love. And I've changed my term from exercising to body love. This is my body love time. I'm loving my body. And when your kids see you loving your body, guess what? It encourages them to do the same. All right? Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will talk to you later. Bye.